everyone, today I would like to share some facts about tropical rainforests. Tropical rainforests have existed on Earth over hundreds of millions of years. They are Earth's oldest living ecosystem, which mostly located around or near the equator. Although there are only 6% of tropical rainforests cover Earth's surface land, but there are about 80% of species that recorded can be found in tropical rainforests. There are three major areas of tropical rainforests, which are Africa, Southeast Asia, and South America. The largest one is in South America, which surrounded the Amazon River. Tropical rainforests basically can be divided into three layers, which are the canopy, the understory, and the forest floor. The unique layer of tropical rainforests make them have complex ecosystem. Different characteristics of animals and plants live in different layers. For example, broadleaf evergreen trees are the dominant plants for the canopy layer. Monkeys and birds are mostly live in this layer. The understory layer is lying between the canopy and the forest floor. Shortest trees and shrubs live in this layer, and this layer is also the home to predators like leopards and snakes. Insects mostly can be found in the forest floor. The constant climate over years in tropical rainforests not only contribute a habitat to flora and fauna, they influence the world's climate change. So let me tell you about the climate in tropical rainforests and why they're important to humans and the crises encountered by tropical rainforests. What are the words first come out in your mind when I say climate of tropical rainforests? People mostly will think about hot, but actually they usually warm all year long with temperature from 20 degrees Celsius and rarely exceeds 35 degrees Celsius. It normally maintains at 28 degrees Celsius. They have a unique climate which is called as equatorial climate. Tropical rainforests are very wet. There's about 130 to 250 days are rainy day, with the rainfall around 1,800 to 2,500 millimeters per year. The high frequency of rainfall in tropical rainforests make you will not experience hot or cold but wet and dry seasons, and the temperature is only small fluctuation over years. The humidity of tropical rainforests is always stable at around 80% throughout the year. It is also because the frequently rainfall and there is a huge amount of cloud that always cover at the top of tropical rainforests. The moist atmosphere and suitable temperature of tropical rainforests bred a huge number of fascinating animals and plants. Let's see an example. Amazon rainforest is the largest tropical rainforest on Earth with an area of 6 million square kilometers, and 10 square kilometers can contain as many as 1,500 flowering plants, 750 species of trees, 400 species of birds, and 150 species of butterflies. The unreachable sunlight in forest floor layer is making the land in tropical rainforests nutritious. The forest floor is the lowest layer in tropical rainforests, and it receives very few sunlight all year long, so that the leaves that fall to forest floor will decay quickly. The insects, those live in forest floor layer, such as worms, fungi, and scorpions, play as decomposer. These organisms break down the organic matter such as leaves that fall from the canopy and the understory layers into nutrients. The decomposers feed themselves, and the nutrients will be absorbed by the shallow roots of the evergreen tree. Any changes in tropical rainforest is not only matter to itself. It closely related and affects to humans and the world. So let's us continue to the importance of tropical rainforests. It cannot be denied that tropical rainforests have affected the Earth's environment and temperature from many aspects, although their surface are small. One of the roles is regulating climate features. We all know that trees absorb carbon dioxide and produce oxygen during photosynthesis. Tropical rainforests produce about 20% of oxygen and store a huge amount of carbon dioxide. Therefore, the impact of greenhouse gas emission reduce slowly. Rainforests also absorb massive amounts of solar radiation. The global temperature are regulated successfully so that living things, including human, enjoy an environment and home with a suitable temperature. Tropical rainforests store an impressive amount of world's fresh water. 1/5 of fresh water are stored and transmitted through Amazon basin. There is at least 50% of precipitation is returned to atmosphere by evaporation. Therefore, the world's water cycle maintain and help to regulate rainfall around the earth. Tropical rainforests also contribute a huge number of resources for human. Many cultivated foods and spices grow in tropical rainforests before they were transplanted in humans' living regions. Our daily consume, such as drinks and fruits, mostly came from tropical rainforests, like coffee, mango, papaya, sugarcane, banana, all transplanted worldwide. They originally grew in tropical rainforests and mostly are still growing in their formerly primary rainforests as food for the herbivores. Although tropical rainforests contributed so much in many aspects, but the surface of rainforests decreased year by year. And this is because the deforestation and destructions of tropical rainforests. Why we are taught to protect the environment since we are small? It is due to the rapid human development over the past few centuries, and it causes very serious environmental problems such as greenhouse effects. The rainforest covered 40% of Earth's surface originally, and now it made up only 6%. The greatest tropical rainforest, Amazon tropical rainforest, had already lost more than 20% of its surface. Humans cleared the sections of tropical rainforests for mining and drilling, conversion to agricultural land, logging, and damming buildings. In a nutshell, we can know that the unique of tropical rainforests and the importance for all living and non-living things. We have no time to delay for the conservation of tropical rainforests since the fantastic flora and fauna are losing their habitats and become endangered species. Fortunately, more and more individuals and communities starting to protect our rainforests, and celebrities such as famous Korean girls group Blackpink appear to talk about the climate change. Our world is changing. We're seeing the extreme weather every year, like heat waves, droughts, and flooding. This is a global challenge. Each and every one of us could make a difference, and we need to act now. Thank you for your attention.